We saw a carport being built across town, and when it got done, we went and talked to the people, and they had used Allen's, and they were happy with it, and we looked it over. Then we went online, and it was real easy to design what we want, get the colors to kind of match the house. My wife picked that out, got a price from them, and made a deal, and they came and built it. It was painless. My name is 𝗙𝗂𝘁𝗀. I worked for DuPont, a chemical plant, for about 40 years. Been retired now for 7 years, so enjoying the retirement and get to use the boat a lot more. So, well, we have 2 boats in the RV, and they would sit outside, and we wanted to keep them covered. So when we were planning to put up a carport, I did some looking online, but then we saw one being built across town, and pretty much looked like exactly what we wanted. So I talked to the owners over there after it was built, and they were real happy with the barn and real happy with the, you know, how it only took 3 or 4 hours to install, and it looked good. So we decided to go with Allen's. We currently own 2 boats in this RVs. The other boat is currently in a barn on the other side of the house, and it's actually taller than this RV is. So in order to have enough clearance, we wanted a 14-foot opening on the front. And the building is 40 by 28 foot wide, and it's actually wide enough to get that other boat out, which is larger than this one, and all 3 of them can go underneath this carport. Altogether, it took only about 4 hours for them to install it, and I was happy with it. And before they left, I got my own ladder out and went up on the roof, because I'm familiar with building metal buildings, to make sure they had swept all the shavings off, and they did. It all looked good. That 3D builder was wonderful. I had used some other ones, you know, picking out colors to paint the house and do different things. Allen's 3D builder was effortless and easy to change, and gave me plenty of options, and it was great. Yeah, if I could describe my experience with Allen's, it was great, easy. Having these 2 vehicles underneath here and sitting on cement has really cut back on the maintenance, made them easier to use. The carport is exactly what I wanted, and that's the way we built it. We do plan to put a fence around it. Had to wait till next year. Many people have stopped by, and the neighbors have asked me who I used. Someone actually asked me how much it cost and all that, and I could have told them, but there was no reason. I said, go on Allen's website, use their 3D thing, and what you want will be the price they give you. It was all easy to use. They did exactly as they said they would. Showed up when they told me they were going to. The builders did a good job. It's great.